Warming up, which is also called previewing or surveying, is simply preparing to read. The memories in our brain, similar to a computer, are organized into directories, folders, files, and subfiles. If I asked you to think of the topic animals in the desert, you would search for your animal folder. Lots of memories appear with animals because your folder is quite large, filled with information, attitudes about certain animals, personal memories, observations, etc., etc. On the other hand, when you have few or no memories in your folder about a subject, it can be confusing and overwhelming, such as when you try to figure out the meaning of the sentence below. The mane should be sheeted tightly when sailing upwind. So one benefit of warming up is to reveal how much you already know about a topic. If you have lots of memories, the reading should go smoothly. If you lack information, there's a good chance you'll struggle with the reading. In that case, it might be wise to get some information about the unknown topic before you read. In addition to letting you know how much you know, warming up also creates interest, a sense of comfort and familiarity with the material you're more likely to keep reading about, something you can relate to. And yet another bonus about previewing is that since your files are already in the front of your memories, when you gain new knowledge about that topic, you can immediately place that information into the proper folder. You'll be able to easily find the material the next time you're questioned about it. There are warming up procedures. Look at the title and ask, what do I already feel about the subject? By asking this question, you will activate your files and bring up the ones you wish to use. This process will help you organize the new information you receive. You'll create interest in the topic you're about to read, and you'll get an idea of how much you already know about this subject. If you know very little, it will give you a chance to investigate before you read. Look for information about the author so you'll know who you're talking with. Check the author's credibility. Become interested in his or her background. Look at the currency of the information by finding the copyright date. Make sure you understand the purpose of this reading. What's your assignment task? Ask, what do I want or need to get out of this reading? And ask, what am I going to do with this reading? Survey the material, checking for length and difficulty, and review your purpose. Make a reading plan based on knowing how long this entire assignment will take, and leave room for reading breaks. While you're surveying, look at any graphics, photos. Answer any pre-reading questions. Look for bold lettering and headings, which will help you know what will be important. So many readings give you helpful tools. You shouldn't ignore them for the sake of saving time. They will ensure success. Lots of people feel this warming up process takes too much time. What they don't realize is that the longer you warm up, the faster and more effective you'll read. Think of it as stretching your brain muscles so they'll be ready to exercise.